Hey, Jason here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to share a really cool tip on how to make your YouTube ad campaigns higher converting. And it all has to do with the ads, right? One of the common questions is, well, what do I show in my ads? What do I do in my ads? Here's the big secret. You don't need to create a bunch of different ads with a bunch of different messages, all right? All you need to do is you need to dial in on one script, right? And we have a six flow, if you will, script that we use for all of our YouTube videos. They all keep the same flow, the same outline. The key is dial that in, right? Have your messaging be the same, but make your videos look different. So, for example, here I am in front of Ben Franklin here. I would do my YouTube ad, right? I would record it, I would say my message, use my script, and record it. And then I could be wearing the same shirt if I really wanted to. I can flip around and have the maps in the background and use the same script, but it just looks different. And here's why that's important. When you run YouTube ad campaigns, more times than not, people that you're targeting are going to see your ads multiple times. And so what I don't want to happen is them to think that they're watching the same video that they've seen before. Because here's what happens when a lot of people record their YouTube videos. They'll do the same video over and over and over again. They'll say different messaging and but they'll keep the same background. And so what happens is a user, they're like, oh, I've already seen this person. Even though you're saying something different, it's a separate ad, they think it's the same ad and they skip it. And we know, no matter what the platform is, sometimes it's going to take multiple touches usually for someone to convert, right? So to increase my chances of that and to get higher conversions, I need all my videos to look different even if I'm saying the same thing. And in fact, that's the easiest way to do it. Say the same thing in every single video, but just have different backgrounds. And if you see here flashing on the screen, I'll put it right here. There's a couple different videos here. These all have millions of views. We've generated hundreds of thousands of leads using these videos here. But as you know, we're saying the same thing in every single one. The only difference is the background. As you can see, a couple of them just flip through. We're just in different backgrounds. And that is one of the big keys to creating essentially high converting YouTube ads, but more importantly, high converting YouTube campaigns. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. There's more where that's coming from. I'll see you in another video.